Okay, so you said type in a main page reducer, or hold on, let me get back there. Oops. Where was it? It was in this. Okay, so you said main page reducer, state.main page reducer.
What's the reducer function called? Can you go back to that file?
Yeah.
For main page reducer.
It's called oh, hold on. I thought it was called main page reducer.
Yeah, it's called main page reducer. Okay, cool. Go back to the function.
Okay.
And then, okay, I think we're good. Could you, go back to the React component? Could you comment out line 11 to 16?
Okay.
And then just write props.
Props.
And then line 18, make a new line between 18 and 19. And then console log props. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when you load the page.
Whoa. The heck? It says actions is not action in combine reducers. The page doesn't even load. Combine reducers.
Yeah, let's go to combine reducers JS.
Yeah. I'm trying to click on it.
Actually, no, go back to reducers page.
Okay.
Reducers.index.js.
Okay.
So it's throwing here action, not a function. Let's go to main page reducer.
Actions. There it is. Wait. Oh. What? Actions is not. No, I don't think.
So right now, actions
Actions is an object, which it's supposed to be, I think.
But it releases its properties or functions. So instead of parentheses, oh wait, I'm gonna change it for you.
Okay, it's Vim though.
Yeah, it's fine. Yes, fuck that.
Yeah, it's super laggy. It's ridiculous.
I don't. Okay. I'm like, and then can you say that for me?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
I got it. Oops.
Okay.
Hold on, let me add that.
Fine.
I'll add it. I'll add it.
Okay, you did.
I'll fix it. All right, saved. Try it again.
Let's try it again. Man, you need to get Webpack dev server set up, man.
Yeah, I know. Kind of like after going through this, I realized like man, like John Tran was badass. He set all of this up. He made it like so that Webpack automatically after every change it rebuilds. Like it really helps productivity a lot if you can iterate that a lot faster.
Have you heard of create React app scaffolding?
No.
I'll link it to you in Messenger. You just
Okay.
copy and paste everything you have in there after you create a scaffold here.
Okay. Hey, I think we got past that kind of. I'm on to some other problem. It says like direction is not defined. Direction.
Okay. And that's because there's no direction.
Oh, because we got rid of direction from the props here.
But let's check the props. Go to object. No, go to your. Oh wait, I'm taking control. Okay. Let's click on this. Did it open your window?
Yeah, this thing.
No. Okay.
Hey, there's
Nice. We got this.
nice.
Wait, you have immutable JS on this?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so direction is left.
Yeah, direction exists.
Okay, so let's uncomment this,
Okay.
and your action is already here.
Okay,
So
sweet.
I think yeah. Let's see if this works now.
Okay. Where am I? I hate that. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. It loaded an old copy. Huh. Dude, that's nuts. Vim is loading an old copy. My old copy doesn't have the props that we wrote there.
What?
What else did we change? Did we change anything in... Oh, crap. Look at this. It doesn't have this either. Like, this line is,
Wait, so how are you gonna get your...
yeah, hold on. Let me try to... Let's see, how
Well,
can
you
I...
can copy and paste it over from Chrome.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's see if the swap file has it. Whoa, okay. Oh my god, that's really annoying. That's what happens when your computer crashes.
Yeah.
You lose productivity like that. I'm gonna remove... Oops. Oh, what? Okay. Okay, it's back. It's back. I just had to delete the swap file, I guess. Okay, never... Okay. I guess I was pressing the wrong key. I was like recovering the file when I should have aborted. Alright. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, I was recovering the old version. Okay, so we have this. So you said uncomment the direction part and the actions, right?
Yeah.
And it should all just work.
And then now, no.
No?
Your actions, the actions property doesn't exist anymore. It's called, go back to Chrome. It's whatever this is. This is your new, these three things are your new props. So main page reducer, and then the command click.
Send robot movement command click. Okay, so change this to send robot movement command click. Wait,
Do it line 13 to 15. Remove that portion,
oh,
and then send robot to command click.
send robot movement to command click. And do I need the reducer in here too?
Also have a main page reducer.
Yeah.
And then change line 17 props to main page reducer, I guess. And then change line. Okay. Here should be good.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait, it's not done yet.
Okay.
All right, so now. Whoa, it says oh. Hold on. It looks good so far. Okay, well, kind of. Oh, I need to rename that. This is command click.
Not
Right.
quite.
This one right here. Command shouldn't be command click.
If you do that, you're recursively calling line 57.
Oh.
What was the error again?
Well, let's see. The error is send robot movement command is not defined.
Okay, and then go back to the then. I'm gonna. Can you go to the top of the page? This is commented out, so uncomment it. Or go back. I mean, go back to the bottom. Do actions dot or send robot movement command. Okay, and then let's try it again.
Sweet. I mean, looks kind of good. Almost.
Sweet.
Wait. Except for this. Actions must be plain objects. Use custom middleware for async actions.
Let's use Redux Thunk for this. Let's not use Saga.
Okay. Is Redux Thunk pretty easy to set up?
It's way easier. You already have it set up.
Yeah, I do.
So let's see the data flow. So when you do command, it has the command of map direction to command.
That's just this, yeah. It just changes the word left to L and the word right to R.
Let's go to the top.
Okay.
And then what's in line 4 again?
Line 4 only has one action, which is send robot movement command.
I see it?
Yeah.
It console logs that. It did it in Chrome, right?
I don't think it did. Oh, it did. Yeah. Here. Action
Okay,
2.
go back to then. Let's go to your reducer for that.
Okay.
Reducer. Send movement robot command, and then could we open up line 2, the file for that?
Okay. Yeah, we were just there.
So it just calls it recursively.
Hold on. What? Hold on. What's going on? What do you mean? Show me.
So send robot command is being called there.
Yeah.
If you go in the actions, then
Oh.
go to line 2. You're sending the payload of line 5 back into the previous file. So you're just calling it recursively.
Sending the payload of line 5 back into a previous
Yeah,
file
line
with
8.
this.
So line 8 has that constant. If you go into that previous file,
yeah, the reducer.
if you see line 6, you're calling that function, which sends that constant.
Oh.
So you need something called like a reducer function. So hold on, let me give you a link.
Okay.
Helper function, kind of like this. Compare or look at line 161.
Okay.
And line 95.
Okay.
And it has to return the previous state with the new state properties. Yeah. So this is where you do your async stuff.
The heck? Well, so okay, so you're saying don't use the sagas anymore. I mean, because right now, the async stuff happens in my saga. So you're saying let's just get rid of that and then let's just put it all in the reducer instead.
Yeah.
Okay. And the one. Where's a thunk, or are we not there yet?
This is where you implement thunk. Hold on. Here's an example there.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think you're good to go. I'll check back with you in an hour. My boss wants to chat with me.
Okay. Thanks, John. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you should be good to go now. So yeah, I'll check back in an hour.
Okay. Thanks, man. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. I see what he means by the recursive call. The reason why it's doing a recursive call is because I mean, I knowingly named these functions the same, and I meant to write redefine the function here, but I deleted that. Like when we were on the call, I deleted that because it was empty. But let's call it something else. Let's call the send robot movement command reducer function. I don't know, reducer. What's function syntax again? Oh my god, I'm forgetting function syntax. Hey, wait a second. I didn't even have it like this. Alright, whatever. I mean, we did that during the call. We imported the action, and that made it recursive. If I had left this part there, I mean, that should be enough. In fact, I don't need to change the state at all. So that really should be enough. Why does it say action.direction? What is that? Action.direction? Here, let's just do this. I don't need it to modify the state at all. Whoa, what is this? What? Jeez, that's annoying. That is super annoying. Oops, Jesus. Ah. Oh my god. Alright, maybe I'm not using thunk. I don't think so. I think I am. I think I am. Um, Undefined. Undefined? Undefined? Um, why is my saga still not picking this up? Well, let's use thunk, I guess. Screw it. Let's just do it here. Forget the sagas. Forget the sagas. Forget the sagas. It's over engineering. It's over engineering. Wait, what is it doing with the state there? Okay. Undefined. Undefined data. Why? Data is undefined. Not sure why the payload's not getting past. Why? It's so close. It's so close. Hey, John.
Hey,
Hey.
give me a moment.
Okay. All
Let me
right.
connect my computer to the big screen.
Okay.
Having having only two other engineers fucking suck, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I bet. Well, you know what? I only have one other engineer, so I'm in a
Okay.
worse spot than you. So, so,
Alright, let's do this.
like, uh, very close. Uh, Basically, when it goes into the somehow it loses the payload. You can see here, like,
Hmm.
this action should receive a payload, and I'm gonna send it to this function here, and that's gonna have the payload. And I console log here. Theodore inside reducer got action data, and then the data, and then there, that the data is undefined. So if we step backwards a little bit, um, so here's the actions file. So movement button actions file, and here I console log the payload that I'm getting when the action is called, and
Okay.
you can see here, here's the word action 2. So this is what we want. This is what we're looking for, and then here there's a bunch of payload. There's the command, robot name, whatever. So
Okay.
somewhere between there, so it must be this thing. It must be this part when we call dispatch and then we send the payload here into that action. Somehow this dispatch thing, somewhere in there, it's getting lost.
Alright. Let's convert this to bind action creators.
Okay. All right.
Because if you're gonna do more than one action, it's gonna be tedious to just add them all in.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I think that's it. So I converted it to bind action creators.
Okay. And then let's go into your movement button JSX.
Okay. That's right
Um,
here.
go to the return statement. Okay. I'll go to the props. Because your props now is going to be invalid. I don't know in what way. Um, let's do this for your props. Hold on. I'm gonna write it out the code.
Okay.
Actually, I wonder if I can.
Yeah, you can type.
Okay, cool. Um, hold on. Let me think if this is going to. If I want to destructure props, yeah, this is correct. Could you copy paste the curly? Oh wait, I'm gonna take control again.
Okay.
This is this is
Space.
so
Space delimited. Yeah.
this is so hard.
Yeah.
could you copy and paste the curly inside the curly bracket into line 17?
Okay. Yep. Like that?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take control again.
Yep.
Oh, shit. I meant to do that.
Okay.
And then it's delete to end of line is $D $.
D dollars.
Right?
Just D $sign.
Okay, and then save. Oh, no. I also want to get props. Okay, let's save and then see.
Okay.
This is, I expect click to be undefined.
Click to be undefined. Okay.
Okay, let's see what props or what the props are.
All right. Hold on. Ah. It already.
Yeah, that's expected. Can you refresh and see what the props are, or?
It doesn't. I don't think it shows you, does it?
Should
Oh yeah, here.
go up
Wait, no, not there.
above. Here, this is what I wanted. Shit. Actions. So now the send robot movement command is under the actions object.
Okay.
So we have to modify your JS under.
Okay. So should I do this kind of thing here?
Just leave it as props.
Okay.
Just for the sake of debugging, we're just gonna make it like that.
It's so laggy.
Okay. To line 15.
Actions.
I'm gonna change it to actions. Actions. You just am I in control? Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this word.
Okay.
And right, delete. And then where do you have it?
34. Okay.
And then okay, then just append actions dot. And then click.
All right.
And then you can look the code up later if you want to do the fancy destructuring.
Okay.
This is just easier to debug. See what the says now. Okay.
Function. Without the word click.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so now we're back to sort of where we started. We still have undefined inside undefined payload inside the reducer, but at least no errors.
Okay. So, few questions.
Mm-hmm.
So, hold on. I'm gonna
Okay.
do this and then. So, okay, type and then payload returning. Could you?
Go there. Yeah. Where is that? Actions reducer. What? Returning. Okay. Hold on.
Entire webpack.
Yeah, the bundle. Let's check in. About. Wait, it's probably not there. Oh my god. If this weren't so laggy, it wouldn't be this hard. It's probably. Oh, it's probably in service, I think. It's probably in either store or reducers. Utils? Yeah, it's probably utils. It's gotta be utils. If it's not this, I'll chop off my dick. Yes.
Okay, let's get details and see what this is. Okay. Can you go back to Chrome? So you have type and payload here.
Mm-hmm.
Returning. I'm gonna click back. Job returning.
It's basically exactly what it returns on the next line.
And then I'm gonna control tab. So this goes into the right reducer. So you've generated a reducer action here, and you generate a second reducer action here.
Really? How do you know that?
Let's go to movement button actions.
Okay.
Yeah, so it has that. Let me think about this. Let's go to move button. Button the
Okay.
JSX.
Yeah.
You should use Atom for this, man.
Well, it's on the server. Can Adam remotely edit files? Probably not.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you have this actions,
Mm-hmm.
and it's being clicked here, and this actions command comes from here,
Yep.
and it dispatches
Here.
to here, and the dispatch goes to a reducer, but we don't know which reducer it goes to. So let me check an example where it has combined reducers.
Okay.
Okay, combine reduce. Entities by donations here. Cool. So I'm trying to figure out why setting this command goes to your actions.util. So could you go to main page reducer?
Well, the reason why it goes to, you're wondering why it goes to action utils, isn't it because it calls, what is it? Well, it goes here, right, at the right hand side, and then it calls this function action, which is in action utils, so it's going to go to action utils there.
Okay, let's open up action utils.
All right.
So your payload is an object, and it's returning null because you have the Babel transformation for object spread.
Oh, you think so?
This is what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna go to line 15.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go down, make a new line on line 16.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do const new payload. You can delete the I for me. It's okay.
Yeah.
G is...
No, it's $sign.
Const new payload equals... Oh wait, no, I don't need to do this. I can just remove the spread operator. God, I haven't used pure Vim in such a long time.
Pure Vim?
My voice.
You want me to delete the
Yeah,
spread?
just...
Okay.
Hold on. I got this, I think.
Nice.
And then, yeah, just save it.
Okay.
And then this should work.
Well, should we output it too?
So just payload.
Let's see if that changes anything. So how do I
Your code might crash because you have that line 15.
Okay. Oops. How do I get Babel to understand spread?
This plugin. Let me link it to you.
Okay, thanks. Jeez, so many plugins.
Yeah, front-end development it's horrific right now. There's a there's a new thing to learn every month, and the learning curve is as least. So you're like, yeah,
Yeah, all like the Ukrainians, they posted an article about the state of front end development, and it was about how like npm or Node, like has packages for like everything. For like a 3-line function is gonna have its own npm package,
yeah.
or like to say hello world, it's gonna have its own package. Still wait, what's going on here? Returning. Wait, I forgot what we're looking for. We are looking for, yeah, returning payload. Yeah, returning should now be, wait, no, returning was always not null. So I think the problem still exists.
Yeah, the problem still exists. Let's go back to Chrome, and open. I'm just gonna open this
Okay.
object. Okay. Let's go to the page reducer.
Okay. Let's do it here. Oops. Oh yeah.
You should have all of these files open in its own tab, so it's easier to go through.
Yeah, could.
Okay. And then I'm gonna tab back to Chrome. Dot action. Wait, there's something wrong with this. Because you have the state and the action, but you have data. That's supposed to happen. I'm gonna look at previous examples.
Okay.
Yeah, that's supposed to happen. Okay. Okay, so the actions is supposed to be an object.
Right, which it is, I believe.
Contains both of these things. Um,
Actions is an object. Uh, I checked that like half an hour ago. I was making sure.
Action, as in this is supposed to be an object, but it's returning nothing. Um, but yeah. Huh. We're really close to solving this.
Are you saying action is null right there on line 4, this thing? I mean,
Yeah, it's null. Because when line 6 is getting console logged, got action data is undefined.
well, that's data, but how do we know that action is null? Data is something else, right?
Let's change this to action then.
Okay, let's do both.
Because data is always going to be null.
Really? What?
Because this accepts a state in an action. This
Oh,
accepts a data.
oh, you're right. What the heck? What the heck? Wait, what? But this is a dummy variable. Data is a dummy variable part of this function.
So it's always going to be undefined because this accepts a data variable.
Mm-hmm.
But hold on. But there isn't going to be a parameter fed into this. So this will be undefined and this will be undefined.
But why would there not be a parameter fed into that? I thought I made sure to do that.
Because your payload is going to be in action. It's going to be action.payload.whatever. Let's comment out line 6.
Okay.
And then run this.
And then run it. Okay.
In all of my reducer actions, I don't have any parameters.
What? Really? Because I'm looking at your code. I'm looking at your reducer at least, and at the bottom in your context table, like you have parameters being passed in, but I guess you're talking about something else.
Check out that link I sent you.
Okay.
Okay, let's click on backward. There we go. Click object.
Wow, so it's under the word payload? That's the problem was it's under the word payload.
Now we made it so it's under the word payload. Let's go to actions util.
Actions util, okay.
So earlier you had a spread operator.
Yeah, right. Uh-huh.
So we moved the spread operator. If you still want to use a spread operator, then you have to install the Babel plugin.
Okay, I'll just install the Babel plugin. But if I install the Babel plugin, I'm trying to think. So that's gonna spread out, enumerate all the keys. So that means here in this window. What were we looking at? We were looking at reducer got action. Oh, okay. So then I can reference action dot whatever, right? Action dot robot name, for instance.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me install that module that you linked me.
TBH, after you get this working, I would use a React Redux boilerplate. I think I linked you to one in Messenger, and just copy and paste all your files over.
Okay.
So
React Redux.
You don't have to go through the pain of setting up dev server yourself.
Yeah.
Because when I set up dev server, it took me like an entire day. It was a really frustrating day. So.
Yeah. Okay. Babel plugin, transform object rest spread. Okay. Somebody's dragging a box around.
Nice.
Somebody's grabbed this box and somebody's dragging it around. Okay, I have to add a plugin. Okay, so now I can make it turn. I can use the spread operator again. Okay, that means here I can call action dot whatever. It's probably called. Wait, it's spread out. So. Oh.
Let me know if I should be paying attention.
No, I'm still testing. I'm still testing.
Okay. Oh my god.
Nice. Nice. I think it went through. Let me see if this is. Yeah, it's sending stuff to the server.
Nice.
Is it? I can't really tell. Wait, hold on. Received, undefined. Saying the correct time. Command to robot. Okay, awesome. Done.
Nice.
Yes, thanks, John. Dude, I love you, man. Like, I couldn't have done it without you. It would have taken, like, I don't know, 10 times as long. or like a week. Seriously, like the small things, like the fact that the spread, um, because I didn't have the spread plugin, that was returning undefined. Like it would have taken me forever to figure out that it was because Babel couldn't understand the spread operator. Things like that, or the fact, yeah, I don't know, just a whole bunch, a ton of those kinds of small things. But I guess that's programming in a nutshell. It's like all these small little things that you have
It's a
to
lot of trivia.
dig deep into. Yeah. Oh man,
But
dude.
yeah, for the rest of the night, uh, use the React Redux boilerplate I sent you on Messenger and just copy your code over.
The thing is, though, I mean, I feel like that's gonna be a lot of work. How hard do you think it's gonna be to copy all of that over? I mean, the code I have right now is pretty similar to the React Redux boilerplate, right? I'm using React. I'm using Redux. I have Sagas installed, but I don't need to use that. Um, by the way, how come we didn't use Thunk at all? We didn't use Thunk.
I'm not sure. It's however you plugged in the WebSockets. I'm not sure how it works.
Okay, yeah, I don't think I need it then. Yeah,
Um, the main thing is that you don't have dev server, and
yeah. I mean, that's pretty inconvenient, but
it's the difference between your current Webpack compile time is 9 seconds when it should be 200 to 500 milliseconds.
Jesus
Such like
Christ.
a fast return rate. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay, good suggestion. I'll look into um, implementing the dev server. But yeah, dude, we got this arm. Rick, my co-founder, he got this arm built and on the robot, and we're 3D printing a new chassis so that the robot looks prettier. Right now, it just looks like a Frankenstein robot, just like a bunch of duct tape, and it's like an open box with a bunch of parts in it. But we're gonna print out a better looking robot. Like, I don't know, we can make it look like a cat or like a human baby or something creative. Have a bunch of arms on it and change. I'm building V2, and you just helped me, and you're welcome to
Nice.
continue helping me. I'm trying to build V2 of the website, because there's gonna be lots of like cameras for one robot. Like one camera will be on the arm itself, so you can see what the arm's picking up. Another one will be like for rear view. Another one will be like forward view. You know, a whole bunch of things. So the UI needs to change as well. The control panel, the UI. Yeah, and then soon we're gonna go to CES in January and show off the robot, do some
Go to
marketing.
where?
CES in Vegas.
CS?
CES.
CES?
CES. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
got you.
Um, but yeah, like, yeah, we have a lot of plans for this. Like in the future, I don't know if I told you, but like one day we can connect drones to this. We can connect GoPros. Like imagine a drone flying next to you, talking to you, and somebody else is controlling it. Anybody on like the internet is controlling it.
Dude, that's sick.
Yeah. I think
This is such a fun project, man.
Yeah, I think it's going to turn out pretty cool, and it's steadily improving. Yeah, if you ever want to help out or anything, we would love that. We would appreciate that like so much. In fact, we could even like work out some kind of payment deal if that's what you're looking for. But I don't know. There's a lot of room to grow, I think, for this. So yeah, I'm working on it full time.
Nice.
Oh, you know what? I'm moving to SF. Didn't you say you're moving to SF too?
I'm moving at the latest June.
Oh, that's kind of far. Okay.
It's because, well, number one, I still haven't negotiated my salary yet. I'm not
By the way,
sure.
just reminding you, we're on stream. Remember? Just
Oh,
tell,
you're
just,
stream. Oh, fuck, man.
just letting you know.
Um, I'll just messenger you this.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
But you guys are moving a lot later, like half a year later. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
we haven't
moving.
gotten office space. Yeah,
I'm moving. You guys haven't found office space yet.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Do you guys know where you guys are gonna look?
Uh, my boss has been looking at Soma,
Oh, nice,
but
nice.
a lot of our advisors are telling us to do South Bay or Oakland.
Yeah, I thought about those places too. I thought about Berkeley. I even thought
Yeah.
about Sacramento. But yeah,
Sacramento.
I might be moving. It's a lot cheaper, Sacramento. You can get like a
As
two
far
bedroom
as
for like
as far as
a
fun
thousand
though.
bucks. But I'm moving to San Francisco in like a month or two, or
Oh
maybe
shit.
a month, maybe earlier. I don't know.
Souls think about the same thing.
Yeah, he's actually. I think he's moving in like a couple weeks.
Yeah. This weekend he visited Alex, so Alex and
Nice,
I got dinner with him, and then he said that this weekend was the last
dude.
weekend in Diners.
Dude, I always text you and Alex whenever I'm in Manhattan Beach and I say like, hey, let's surf or let's grab dinner or whatever, and you guys never respond back. But when Soul's
You
there,
should ask us the day before. Like when I
okay.
got your text, it was like the morning of, and I'm like,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, plans.
Yeah, you're right. I have a bad habit of doing that. But anyway, I'm like super hungry. I was just like so focused on fixing this or getting React in implemented because we were working with just Jade, just plain Jade and just Node and Express and Jade. It was pretty old school. So like all like yesterday and today, just been getting us like to current technology. But anyway, thanks for your help,
Nice.
man. I really appreciate it.
No
Like
problem.
like no joke, that saved me a whole bunch of time and effort.
Yeah, no problem. And I'll talk to you more about if I would want to work more on this. Like, you're more than you're more than welcome
Dude,
to ask me for help
dude,
whenever.
dude, for sure. Dude, here, hold on. Let me sell it to you a little bit more. Hold on. Like imagine this. Imagine this. Like imagine so my parents they were thinking about like buying potentially. I don't know. They're just thinking, just talking through ideas. But if they were thinking about like buying a farm. Now imagine if we have this farm and you rent out small pieces of that farm. You know, like I don't know, like 5 foot by 5 foot grids to like these techies, these yuppies in Silicon Valley, and then you put one of these robots, put a robot on that 5 by 5 patch of land, and then let them grow their own plants remotely via the robot. Like they can plant seeds with the arm, they can water it with the arm, they could pick off strawberries off the bushes, whatever, with the arm. They can watch it with the webcam. They could, I don't know. You can think of all kinds of ideas. Here's another idea: we put a water gun or like a Nerf gun on the robot. We can charge like $1 if you want to shoot somebody with a water gun, or I don't know. We can implement like a Twitch like system where people donate money to each other.
Yeah,
Um,
tokens would work out well.
Tokens, yeah, tokens and stickers, dude. But think about, I really like the farm idea. Like
Yeah,
imagine remotely, like nowadays everybody wants to eat organic foods, the realest foods possible, especially like rich techies, software engineers in Silicon Valley. Now, like give them a farm in Gilroy where they could like remotely monitor their plants, their produce from home, and then every once in a while they can just drive over and come pick up the plants and eat, and then go home and eat the realest farm, I mean the freshest food. I think that could be a big hit, and then that would require like more robust robots, um, robots that are easier to maneuver and have all kinds of different components like arms, maybe two arms, maybe like a pruning machine. I don't know. But it requires improving the robot and improving the website as well, because the website currently, if you go to runmyrobot.com, it's very ugly. It's almost like it deters people. Um, um, yeah, it just it doesn't attract people. It doesn't keep them here. So improving the front end is huge too. which is what I'm working on right now, and Rick is working on the hardware aspect. But
That's cool.
but anyway, it's just a two person team right now. It's a super early stage startup. We consider ourselves a startup. We've talked to an angel investor already. Got denied, but at least talked to one, and we're looking to make incremental improvements and then go out again to angel investors and talk again. All right, my mom's calling me. I think she has dinner ready, but just think about it. Let the idea gestate in your head. There's so many ideas, so many things we can do with this. We can take over the world, have thousands of robots all around the world, like deployed all around the world, and we'll bring into existence this new revolution of robot companions.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's my little pitch. I gotta go eat dinner. Thanks again, man.
Yeah.
Really
No problem.
appreciate it. Okay, I'll talk to you again
All right.
sometime
Talk
soon.
to you later.
All
Bye.
right, see ya.